we are on the southern Oregon coast, and we're on this coastal trail. This coastal trail is very unique because the foliage makes these beautiful tunnels. You know what? When we're together on a True North quest, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be walking through a tunnel of discovery. Discovery of who are you? What are your strengths? What are your skills and abilities? What are your heart passions? And then that's going to lead you out to a huge and beautiful vista of what is my life calling and what difference will it make to those around me. If you've noticed, these trees are bent. They're bent because the wind has been blowing them so consistently that it's not natural, or it seems like it's not right for them to stand up straight. You know what? I think sometimes we're bent by the influences in our life, by our family, by our workplace, by kind of our surroundings, the culture that we're in. And we don't really live our true self. We don't know our true north. And you know, when you're on a True North adventure, we're going to challenge you to really know the true north, not the way that you've been bent, but the way that you can grow strongest in your environment. Here we are in Cape Sebastian on the southern Oregon coast. It's just an example of some outdoor adventures that we'll be a part of when you're going on a True North quest. You know, when you go on a True North quest, you're going to be walking through tunnels. And sometimes it'll seem like, I don't know why we're doing all of this. It'll seem a little bit foggy. It might seem a little bit dark. But what I'm going to encourage you with is at the end of the tunnel is going to be a beautiful vista. It's going to be a vista of your life on all cylinders, living the best life that you can possibly live. And that's what a True North adventure is about. It's about helping you kind of evaluate who you are, look at what your life calling is going to be, and then answer that big question. So what difference is that going to make in my world?